Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Wednesday, 2nd April 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 2, number 17, number 27, number 35, number 42, booster number 18, UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49 tea time prediction number. First number 6, number 13, number 37, number 43, number 21, booster number 35. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe.